Okay, first one. A part 1. Can you read out the inequality, please? What was it? 5. 4. Okay. So you should have here 5 minus 4 smaller than or equal to 2x. 1 smaller than or equal to 2x. X should be bigger than a half. Okay. Part 2, I think it was x squared bigger than? Bigger and equal? No, bigger than 4. So this is x squared minus 4 bigger than 0. You do the quadratic graph here, draw the quadratic. So what are the two roots here? 2 and minus 2. So because it is more than 0, it means you want the piece which is upper. So that means you want smaller than and bigger than the minus 2 and 2. So you have x must be smaller than minus 2 or x is bigger than 2. If you want to write that as a set, you would write it like this. X belongs to minus infinity to 2 or minus 2 to infinity. Sometimes the question asks for the answer to be as a set. So if it did, it would be like that. Okay. B part 1 now in a minute. I give you, or they give you a cubic, and you want the remainder when you divide by x minus 2. Okay. Can you just give me the cubic? Fx equals x cubed minus 2. So they want fx divided by x minus 2. So if you use the remainder theorem, the remainder will be f of 2. You take this and change it into x equals 2 and put it back in. That answer is the same answer you get when you do your long division. Some people did it anyways. So 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 squared minus 2 minus 2. So that's 16 minus 4, which is 12. Did you get 12? Did you get 12 with long division? Yes. So quicker this way. Okay, B part 2. Divide by x plus 2. And now here they want you to do the long division. So x plus 2 divided into the same cubic. X cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So here I get x squared, and this will be x cubed plus 2x squared. Oh, so easy. Because these both cancel, leaving you with minus x minus 2. So this has to be minus 1, so this has to be minus x minus 2, which is 0. So the factors would be x plus 2 times x squared minus 1. Which would be x plus 2 times x plus 1, x minus 1. And if you want to see why, you can change that into x squared plus 0x minus 1. So you need two numbers that add to make 0 and multiply to make minus 1. That can only be 1 and minus 1. Some people might remember a formula from middle school that says x squared minus 1 squared is x plus 1, x minus 1. If you remember that from middle school, you can use it. It's a squared minus b squared is A plus B times A minus B. You remember your middle school maths teacher teaching you this? No? No. Some do. Okay. Part 3. Oh wait, I did part 3. Part C. You have y equals x minus 2 and x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 2y equals 9. So what's the name of this type of problem? The system, what is it called? Not quite simultaneous, that's the, it is simultaneous, but we have a different name for this particular type. It's one linear and one quadratic, simultaneous. Degree 2. Well, not really. Okay. So we have what method to use here? There's only one method we can use. Yeah, we have to use substitution. So we get x squared plus, and they were nice enough to give us it in this form, x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 2y equals 9. Yeah? Okay so far? X squared plus x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 3x minus 2x plus 4 equals 9 when you expand. Yeah? 2x squared minus 7x minus 9x minus 9x plus 8 equals 9. 2x squared minus 9x minus 1 equals 0. 2x 1 x 1 no. No. Somebody tell me I made a mistake. Minus 4. That is minus 4, isn't it? No. Hang on. I can't hear. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. This is okay? No. The beginning. Well, thanks for telling me that now. Yeah, you don't have no idea how annoying that is. Right, so, thank you for noticing that at the end. Thank you. Let's start this one again. So we have x squared plus x minus 4. So when you notice mistakes, you sit there going, I wonder where he's going with this. Or, yeah, it's like, oh, he's doing this differently. He's using the wrong problem. I wonder how this will play out for him. Not well, it seems. Right, x squared plus x minus 4 squared minus 3x minus 2 x minus 4 equals 9. Yes? You sure? Yeah. Great, okay. So we have x squared plus x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 3x minus 2x plus 8 equals 9. Yeah. Right. 2x squared minus 13x. Now 16 plus 8 is 24 minus 9, 15 plus 15 equals 0. 2x x, here is a 3. and 5. So minus 3. No, no, they're both minus. Both minus. Yeah, both minus. Guys, come on, I keep having to look over by the window there. There's too much noise coming out of the corner there, okay? I need you to be quiet. So 2x minus 3 and x minus 5. Both must be minus. So we have x equals 3 over 2 and x equals 5. Now that's not finished because we also need the y. Did you forget that part? No full marks for you. So we put that back in here. So y equals x minus 4. Okay. So here, 3 over 2 minus 4. What's that? 5 over 2, is it? Minus 5 over 2. Or 5 minus 4, 1, is it? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. So there are my two answers. The first answer is 3 over 2 and minus 5 over 2, and the second answer is 5 and 1. Okay. Wait. Wait. No, of course not. There's homework is, now what I'm going to do, yeah, I know, so the homework is this here. What I'd like you to do, stop packing and clicking and moving and being excited that the class is nearly over, and just relax for one more minute, please. So I'd like you to try and finish this exam because it'll be a little bit quicker if in the next class you've tried it and then I'll just do it straight away to save time. So I don't have this on Moodle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the exam. I'm uploading the video later today. You can just pause on each scene. So when you get to this part in the video, which is going to be near the end of the solution for, no, just, if you just listen for 1 minute, then you can go. Look, I can see the way you're sitting. You're like literally sitting like this. Okay, it's going to be finished. Any seconds now. Just wait. No, don't touch anything. Just put the paper down. Right. So I'm going to just go through the questions here and just leave them on the screen for a second so that when you watch the video, you can pause it and do the question. So the next question, here it is here. It's an arithmetic geometric question. So you need to do that one tonight. Number 3 is a little bit of exponentials and logs and a little bit of calculus. Number 4, which is broken, is an integration and a trigonometry. So it's really weird that they mix these topics together. So there's the questions there for the triangle. Number 5, it's a rectangle, and it's actually another calculus question. Yeah, practical. And then number 6 is calculus, and they want the area here. I know, it looks lame, doesn't it? And then there's the graph, and there's the questions for it. Now you can go.